Hello and welcome to Embedded Systems Lab 2B. So, this one is about using the internet inside of the PicoW and getting some messages from the internet to be displayed. So, this one is actually not that complicated, at least not as complicated as I was expecting. So, here in this folder, this is the secrets.py, and all it is it's literally a variable with the name of my home Wi-Fi, and then a variable with the name of my password. So then the home Wi-Fi was the SSID and the password's password. So it's literally what it is it's just SSID equals and then the name, and then password equals and then the password. So we go over here to this internet script, and it's gonna import just some stuff that I had downloaded on to the Pico. But then it says from secrets, which secrets is this file right here, is going to import these variables. Then this is a function. Then it is going to just say it's turning on the chip and stuff, and it's going to put that SSID and it's going to connect to it. So both of these scripts are very much necessary. So then that leads us to the actual lab script. So this is actually what we had to do. So it's going to import all that jazz right here, and TFT and stuff, that's from the display one, so that's from the last lab. So what it is it's going to this website right here, this useless facts website, and it's going to go as the Raspberry Pico W. So the Pico W is going to the website, and then the server is going to see that somebody's accessing it. So this is the name. So I could change this actually to whatever I want. Like I could just say like Dominic's Pico, which is my name, or I could say Optimus Prime or something, and it literally wouldn't matter. But you have to have one of those almost every time. So if you actually go to this link, it'll take you to this website right here, and this is actually very nicely laid out for us. Most websites are not like this, but what we're looking for is this text right here. So then the text actually has this this part right here. So what we're going to do is the string. I was thinking string, but then I was like, is that for math? And then I'm like, is it? No, maybe. I forget. But I'm pretty sure you can have a string of text. I think a string in math is just like a super long decimal or something. Anyway, so what it's gonna do is then this is just like kind of just setting up the display and how like fast it should work. So I was actually tweaking this one a little bit. Whoops, I realized I accidentally did that. That might mess it up. Okay, but it's using button 15, and button 15 is this one right here. Okay, so and then these are all just using the button, so when you push the button down and stuff, it's gonna work. So right here, this is actually something to pay attention to. So this is the function where it's gonna get the quote, and it's gonna clear the display, of course, so that there's nothing on there. And it's only doing that right when we need it, so it's not gonna automatically clear anything. So it's only when necessary. So it's going to go and it's gonna get the URL right here, which that's the link, and then it's gonna get the header. So that's when I was saying it could be literally anything. So it's gonna now go to this website using this name on the server. Then it's going to, since this is written in like JavaScript or something, but this is Python, so it's gonna just go over here. It's gonna make a variable fun facts, and it's going to just like scan the page, and then what it's gonna do right here is it's gonna take fun facts is now all of this text right here is all fun facts. So then it's just gonna look at the text part of fun facts, and the text part of fun facts is right here. So it's now taking the text part, it's gonna go to these coordinates on the display. So like 3x and 20y. So just like where on the display the circle. So maybe like right here. And then my friend actually came up with this, and he made this like wrap text thing, which is very, very insanely useful. So it's gonna start here, and it's gonna make sure that the text doesn't run off the page, and then it's also gonna print down here so that you could also just see it on the computer. So then right here, this is just gonna constantly be checking the state and seeing if somebody's pushing the button, and once you push the button, it's gonna work. So let's test this out. There's a little bit of a input delay for some reason, and I'm not entirely sure why, because I think it's something to do with this, but when I was changing this, I couldn't get it to process fast or not. And I think it was literally just like once I hit it the first time after running the code, if I clicked the button the first time, then there'd be a delay. But the more I clicked it, then the shorter that delay was. And if you got it to give you a fact like 6 or 7 times, then you could click the button and it'd be instant. But for some reason, if you click it the first time and second time and third time, there's like this weird delay. So I've been yapping, so I've been trying to kill time, and let's see if it just goes immediately. Alright, so that's kind of the delay I was talking about. So all I did was push the button, and it's gonna send it out, and boom. So that's actually this is gonna generate a new one every single time you visit it. So as you can see, it typed it down here, and it also gave us this fact here. So we'll just hit this button, and we will see if it gives us a new one. Boom. Okay, and then we'll go one more. Boom. All right. So thank you for watching. That's Lab 2B for embedded systems.